I was just working with one of our members in our Transform program. These are people who are moving through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough in 6 months with me, and of course within everything we have within the PPT Institute. And it was so exciting because this was the first day that she was in stage 4, speaking and acting and living what happens in stage 4. And stage 4 is so exciting because she had this experience where she may lose her job. Now you're thinking, well, what's so great about that? When you're in stage 4, all of a sudden you have access to things you didn't have access to. So we started going there and I started asking her a bunch of questions like, okay, well, what would you want to do? Just go there, what would you want to do? And we came up with the most amazing business idea. Now, if you're in stage 3, you can't even think like that. But she got so hopeful and so excited about all the new possibilities. That's what stage 4 is like. It's you move through so much that now you're like, wow, if I could do that, what else can I do? And then she asked a question about, do I still need to go through all the old stuff? All the just the other stages and everything else. If you're avoiding things, yes, you do. If you're done with it, if you've truly processed it, no, you don't. It's very hopeful. It's very exciting. Stage 4 is very forward moving, but forward moving about what do I need? What would be exciting for me now? What do I need to heal? What am I no longer willing to accept? What boundaries do I need to have in place? So this is when we're deliberately and intentionally creating this new version of us that never would have had the opportunity to show up had the experience not happened. So if that's where you are, that's one of the classic signs of stage 4. It's very exciting. Stage 4 is my favorite stage. We have our Healed or Hardened quiz, which tells you exactly what stage you're in. And I posted a blog post just today about the 5 stages. So however, you can get to that within the PPT Institute, find that blog post and you'll know what stage you're in a minute. So here to help you however I can.